One of the most brilliant professional snooker players in recent years has been Welshman Ray Reardon. His skill in competition was proven by his long grip on the world professional title. Some of the knowledge and technique he has now told in a book called Classic Snooker.
Very good, Ray.
Oh, is this the way of practice?
Yes, yes. Can I interrupt you? Your book, basically, is an instructional book.
Yes,
well,
basically.
yes.
There's a little bit of a biography in it, just the first chapter.
I was going to come to that. You obviously started in snooker very early on in life.
Down in the valleys, South Wales. Being a miner, and the family, they were all snooker players, really. Well, billiard players mostly in those days, taking part in the Strawberry Valley League. And my father was one of 5 brothers, and they all played in the same team. So, of course, I was introduced to the game very soon as a result of that. And what better place can you have than South Wales to learn to play the game? Hotbed of snooker.
Yes.
Very enthusiastic, and all the audiences are knowledgeable people.
Well, how hectic is the life of a professional? Because we've had great difficulty in tracking you down here to Pontins. You know, what's your life like?
Yeah, well, I come up here to Breen every week throughout the summer season, actually, and I've been contracting with Pontins now for 9 years, you know, and so through the summer I'm difficult to get hold of, unless you know where I am. If you know that I'm in contract with these people, then I'm easy to find. But through the winter, then I'm very difficult to find.
Is that where the tournaments are played?
I had a holiday for 9 years, there you are. You could call it playing holiday, going on tour to various parts of the world. But when you go on tour, you work harder then because you're sponsored. And if you're sponsored, they want their pound of flesh out of you, don't they, really? In fact, they usually have £1.50.
So it is very demanding, obviously.
Yes, very demanding.
Yes. But do you enjoy the life?
Marvellous. I like meeting people. And, of course, I like playing snooker. This is my life.
Well, we'll leave you now, and perhaps you can show us a few of your favourite tick shots.
Tick shots? Oh, interesting little shot here, Di. We take the black ball in the middle pocket. You can't see this is the black ball here, actually. Well, this is where we potted a red, and you find yourself in an hopeless situation. But fortunately, as you can see, the yellow ball is on the pocket over here.
So we're going to bounce the white off the cushion, lift it up over the top.
And pot the yellow. It's always handy to do this shot because you've got your ring of reds and you can use 2 shots in one. This is where we've potted a red again and sent in the yellow, right round the reds now, into the corner. Right then, well, triangle shot, as you can see up in the far corner of the table. 3 reds in the yellow ball through the triangle, over the balls into the corner pocket. Yes! Nice little quick billiard shot. If you wanted 3 to win the game, well, it's very ungentlemanly to pot your opponent's white, so to score 3, you go in off the red, up and over. Right then, we'll go for the machine gun shot. Well, coming up for the machine gun shot then, and this is where we strike the white first towards the opposite pocket. And before the white drops into the pocket coloured balls in the same pocket. So we strike the white, pocket the coloured balls, and the white goes in last.